Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out your account from other devices within the Klarna application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Klarna app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are taken into the home page, in order to log out any other device that you suspect may be logged into your account, just go on the More option at the bottom right corner. Inside More, go into Security and Privacy, and now you can find the Manage Device option. Tap on this, and now you can log out any device that has access to your account. Underneath this device, you will find the current device that you are accessing your account from, and if you see any device underneath other devices, you will need to tap on the delete icon so that these devices will not have access to your account. Also make sure that you can identify any other device that you are using yourself. If you don't recognize a device that is listed, you can tap on the delete icon to remove the access and log out automatically. By following this step, you can make sure that no one else has access to your account and continue to use the Klarna application with your privacy intact. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove other devices from having access to your Klarna account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.